Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the swirls with the pigments. So make sure you prep your cup, light sand, wash it, and base coat it, and then you're ready to go. So I'm going to use medicine cups and popsicle sticks, and I'm going to mix in the pigments with Extreme Protection. So I use Extreme Protection because I've just seen a lot of other people have more success with it with the swirl cups. So you could try Brite Tone, it's totally up to you. And I would say I have about, 2.5 milliliters of each. And I'm going to use numbers 1, 2, and 5, red, white, and blue, to make this red, white, and blue cup. You can use whatever color pigments you would like, but make sure you shake well before you use them. So, of course, I'm going to use red for the red and the white for the white, and the blue for the blue. You're going to stir to get them combined. Make sure that your cup is fully smooth. So I have glitter on this cup, so mine is fully smooth. And if you don't have glitter, you should do a couple coats of Extreme Protection before you add the swirls. So I am actually going to mix blue and white because the blue as it is just a little bit too dark for the American flag theme that I was going for. So you can mix and match to make whatever colors make you happy, and give it a good stir, and you're ready to go. So before you add your pigments, you're going to do a thin layer of Extreme Protection. Again, you should already have some on your cup. So this would maybe be, if you have glitter, whatever on top of your smooth surface. But if you don't have any glitter, this might be like your third layer. So once your coat is on, you're going to start adding your colors. So I added them with my popsicle stick, just like in a diagonal pattern. Now you can do whatever you want, right? There's no Tumbler police that are going to come arrest you for doing this wrong, right? These are unique to you. So I just did this diagonal pattern. I started with the red, then you can, then I moved to the white. And I'm going to speed things up here because it's not that exciting. And then I added in the blue. And you can see that it drips a little bit, but it really doesn't move very much. Like, that's about it. So it's not like epoxy where you're just going to leave it and it's going to swirl together. We have to sort of help it move along because it's so thin. So I take a straw, like an actual straw, and I just blow them around. Like, get in there and move it around with your breath. Now, if you have canned air or like a mini blower of some kind, you can use that too. But you're just going to keep getting in there and moving around, combining them and making it look cool. Sort of keep going till you're happy. If you get to a point where you just kind of want to step back and say, I'm not sure, you can always add more colors. Okay, and you can see mine are not very transparent. So play around with your ratios. Obviously, like, more Extreme Protection with less pigment is going to give you a little bit more transparency. But that is literally it. So I gave it extra dry time. I had my 60-watt lamp not too far away, so I let it dry overnight before I did an additional 2 coats of Brite Tone over the top of this. So I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.